Hello and welcome to Angie's Tasty Foodies. Put 1 3/4 cups of blanched almond flour in a large mixing bowl. Then add 1/2 cup of tapioca flour. Sprinkle over 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder. Add 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Add 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder. Season it with 1/4 teaspoon of fine sea salt. Then combine them well. In another bowl, mash 3 large bananas. Then crack 4 large eggs. Pour in 1/4 cup of coconut oil melted in room temperature. Add 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Then give them a good mix. As we are ready, slowly stir the dry mixture into the wet mixture. Then combine them well for about 2 to 3 minutes, but not too much. Prepare your bread baking pan lined with baking sheet. Now gently pour over it the banana mixture. Bake it at 160 degrees centigrade for 15 minutes. So here is our hearty paleo banana bread. I hope you like this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, or subscribe to our channel. Thanks again for watching.